change payment method on Amazon. So if you want to change payment method on Amazon, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and search for Amazon. Go with www.amazon.com. Once you're under Amazon, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Go with account. And under account, you need to go with your payments. Choose your payments. And from here, if you've added a payment method, then you can simply go and delete the payment method and then again add a new payment method from here. So go with add a payment method, which is here on the left side, or you can go with the middle and you can add your cards like your credit or your debit card or FSA or HSA cards or Amazon store card or personal checking account. So you can simply choose any card that you're comfortable with and you need to add a payment method. Once you've added a payment method, you will have two payment methods right here. So you can simply delete the payment method that you don't want. So that's how you can change your payment method on your Amazon. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.